In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple accounts in Yahoo Mail. Open your preferred web browser and head to yahoo.com. Once the page loads, look to the upper right and find the sign in option. Click it, then follow the on-screen process to log into your Yahoo account. This could include entering your username, password, and any verification steps your account requires. Give it a moment to complete. You'll see confirmation once you're signed in. After you're in, click Mail in the upper right to open Yahoo Mail. Inside Yahoo Mail, locate the settings icon, typically a small gear at the top right. Click it, then choose More Settings to open the full settings panel. In the left sidebar, select Mailboxes. This is where Yahoo lets you manage and add other email accounts so you can handle everything from one place. Click Add Mailbox. You'll see different providers to choose from. Select Google to add a Gmail account. In the prompt that appears, type the Gmail address you want to add, then click Next. This begins a secure connection between Yahoo Mail and your Google account using Google's sign-in system. When prompted, choose Sign In with Google. A Google window will appear. Select the Google account you want to add. If you're not already logged in, you may be asked to enter your Google password or complete verification. Click Continue to proceed. Next, Google will show a summary of what Yahoo Mail is requesting access to, such as reading and syncing mail and contacts, so your messages and folders can appear in Yahoo. For the smoothest setup, select all requested permissions, then click Continue. This step ensures Yahoo can fully sync your mailbox. If you prefer to limit access, be aware that some features may not work as expected. Once the connection is authorized, you'll be returned to Yahoo Mail. Click Done to finish. Your Gmail account will now appear under Mailboxes and Settings, and you should see its folders and messages begin to populate in your Yahoo Mail interface. The first sync can take a few minutes depending on how much mail you have, so don't worry if everything doesn't show up instantly. From here, you can repeat the add mailbox process to connect additional accounts and manage them all side by side. A quick tip, keep an eye on the mailboxes section anytime you want to review what's connected or adjust a mailbox name and description for easier identification. And that's it. You've added another account to Yahoo Mail, making it simple to handle multiple inboxes in one place.